All right, guys, welcome back to Classic Chevys with CJ, the Cigar Man. So this video is actually going to be video 2 of the build of the 1953 Chevy pickup truck, guys. And we're going to get started. I'm going to jump right into it. So you guys already know I've been looking for a frame, found a frame in Johnson City, Tennessee. And so we're going to go out there and check this frame out. I've actually been trying to find, I tell you, a frame for several months now, and I think I actually found a good frame that's going to work. So we're going to go out there to A-1 Salvage, and we're going to try to see if we can, help do a little work to try to get this frame home today. I know the guy said if I come out there and help him a little bit, we can probably get it all done. So I'm excited about getting this frame, and we're going to bring it back and actually just to let you guys know also is that I'm going to have my nephew over here. He owns a sandblasting company. It's actually a Dustless Sandblasting. So we're going to get that Dustless Sandblasting. You guys know I'm not a big fan of this Dustless Sandblasting, but from the time I got my second truck done, the 47, I had a really bad experience with that one. But Andrew, he assured me that this one is just totally different. Instead of using actual sand, they actually use some type of, he was telling me it's like crushed glass. And it's kind of like a soft abrasive. And I think that's what we're going to need to get this job done. So I'm going to go ahead and get this frame back to the house. Prep it the best I can before Andrew come over here. And then I'm going to just show you guys some footage of him doing some sandblasting and getting the frame all clean and everything. And then I will be a few days later, I will be I'm hopefully trying to just button up everything so I can get ready to put this cab on the frame of the truck. Okay, I'm up here in the garage trying to finish up a couple of vlogs and some intros, so you guys stay tuned. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. As you see here, I got Bullseye over here. She's looking good and stuff. I got a lot of she's for trucks. Maybe he need to be a he. What you guys think? But he's looking good, man. I tell you, I've been driving it. This is my everyday driver, guys. I tell you, I need to straighten up this garage a little bit because it's gonna get even worse once I start building and start working on my other truck. So. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know what's going on with this episode 2 of the 1953 Chevy pickup truck panel truck build. And I will get with you guys probably midway through this video. CJ out.
That thing needs box it in.
Yeah, that's an excellent frame there. I like that. All right, guys. So, hey, I went and picked up that frame. I did a little work to help those guys get it home a little faster. I brought that frame home, and actually it's been a few days now since I've had it back at the house. So now I got my nephew here with Clean Slate Dustless Sandblasting, and he's going to get to it, man, and we're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump on it, and I'll get back with you guys midway through this video. So I just want to show you guys the rig that Andrew with Clean Slate Restoration has. He got a really nice setup there. So that there is like the big giant compressor, and it's portable. He carries it in the back of a big long trailer. And that container there, that's what hold all the compound of the crushed glass and a mixture of water. So he got this baby tuned up pretty good, and she's ready to go. we're about to sandblast this frame. It's a 95 S10 frame. My nephew Andrew's about to do a dustless sandblasting on it. All right, guys, so I'm back, and as you see, we are about an hour into this dustless sandblasting. Hey, and I gotta say, man, it's a lot better than my first experience with this dustless sandblasting. Andrew know what he's doing, and we're having fun doing it, actually. So I think this may be his first big project that he's gonna, that he actually has done since he had his business. I know he's had it for a couple of years and stuff, but he also works full-time too. So, hey, we're going to get back into this video. I really like everything so far. The frame is just turning out immaculate, and I couldn't be more happy with it. So I think I made a good decision with going with Clean Slate Dustless Blasting. And my nephew, he's doing an awesome job, so thumbs up to him. So I'll get back with you guys at the end of this video.
And it's only been, what, maybe an hour?
Yeah. Alright, so this will be the third day I believe I've been working on this frame, and this is what I was telling you guys about, that I actually used that black industrial paint that I got from Tractor Supply. I basically just thinned it out a little bit, and I got an old cheap, probably about a $15 Harbor Freight siphon feed spray gun, and I just sprayed it. I sprayed the crap out of it, and she turned out really good. It was slick. You'll never see underneath it, but it's just a little attention to details I like to go a little further and take care of. And even though I'm outside in a ventilated space, I still like to wear my PPE. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I tell you what, I think I made an awesome decision getting Andrew over here to sandblast, actually to do that dustless sandblasting on my truck. Frame is clean. He actually put some type of coating over it. I need to get with him to see what is the proper name of that, but he basically said that he sprayed a protective coat over that bare metal and stuff, so it won't rust or corrode. But as you guys saw in my video, the very next day I actually started spraying it. I actually was painting it black. I used this heavy duty industrial paint that I got from, I believe, what was that? Tractor Supply. And I just, I thinned it a little bit. It did say you could thin it because I tell you what, using a brush, it would have been very thick. So I actually thinned it down a little bit, and I sprayed it on there, and it took me maybe an hour and a half to do everything like I wanted, and the frame turned out good. I'm very happy. So, hey, thanks for hanging out with me this evening. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like these videos because I got plenty more coming, and I hope you guys are enjoying this content. And this video, I really enjoyed making and stuff. It's always fun to, start from the beginning and work your way up. This build, you guys gonna be with me through the whole way, from the beginning and to the end. You gotta see all the production and all the hard work that we put into this truck. So this is just the beginning, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar and a fast truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.